Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the eBay business, and we made a couple sales today. So the first thing that sold was actually on my wife's profile. So I found this at the Goodwill bargain bin, and it did not weigh that much. Let's see how much it weighed. Weighed about 5 ounces. So I would say I picked this up for about 50 cents to $1, and we had it listed for about $10, and my wife just happened to be on the eBay app and she saw that she had a watcher, so she decided to send that watcher an offer of $7, and that person accepted. So sold this for $7, pretty easy flip, and the buyer paid shipping. Next thing I sold is this NRA hat. Again, I also found this at the Goodwill bargain bin, and this thing could not have weighed very much at all. Let's double check just to see what we have going on. Okay, so 2.5 ounces. All right, so I probably picked this up for, again, around 50 cents to $1, around that range. So sold it for, I believe, $5 or $6.99. I can't remember, but I'll have it listed on the screen here, and the buyer paid shipping. So I'm probably just gonna throw this in a poly bag, and I'm going to have to reinforce this a little bit with some bubble wrap or throw it in a previous bag that I had. I'll probably just use this Amazon Prime bag, throw it in that box, because we're sending this out via priority shipping, so it has some form of insurance on it. This one's just going out first class, so very great way to start the week by making 2 sales. I mean, not a lot of profit, but just still a little bit of profit to start off this week. All right, so let's just pack up this little whale first. I want to make sure that this shipment goes out under a pound, so I'm going to take this whale and throw it in one of these Amazon bubble wrap bags that I got. I just realized I had a shipping label in there, so take that out, obviously. And again, I'm only doing this because this was a relatively cheap sale. Like, I would have probably only made around like $5 profit off of this, so that's why I'm not trying to spend too much on the packing materials for this one. So we're just gonna wrap it up here. Tail off. So I'm just gonna throw this in this bag here, or in this box. So throw in some packing paper in here a little bit, just to make sure there's some workflow going on. Okay, there we go. That's a little bit better. Just like that, we're good to go. So that one's packed. I'll just get a poly bag for this one. This one's gonna be pretty simple. Just gotta throw this in a little poly mailer here. Let me make sure that we get some of the dust off of here. All right, just because as it sits in my inventory, it could get a little bit dusty, but there we go. All right, throw that in the poly bag. Pretty odd shaped package, so gonna have to take that off. Just like that. There we go. We have 2 packages ready to be shipped off to the post office. So as we are getting a little bit closer to 10,000 subscribers, I just want to take this time to thank you guys for all the support on the eBay business. Before I started making videos for eBay, I was doing a bunch of tutorial-based videos. That's where the majority of my views and subscribers came from. Like, I used to do a bunch of tutorials, and every now and then I'll upload another tutorial onto this channel just because they're more of my evergreens content. Like, there's just content that performs well for me in the background while I try to grow my eBay business. So forgive me if you guys see a bunch of these tutorial based videos. the eBay business will be the main series of this channel. However, in future videos, my wife might be joining me in future eBay videos, or we might be doing a vlog style series because my mom is also subscribed to this channel and she said that I should add some vlogs on there. So if I ever go on vacations or if something special happens, I'll probably do like a vlog style type of video. Hope you guys don't mind seeing those occasionally in your sub boxes. But if you guys are only sub to me for the eBay content, then just watch the eBay content. And if any of the tutorials or vlogs seem interesting to you guys, feel free to check those out as well. But the majority of my random content will be going onto my second channel. So I'm gonna try to keep this channel based off of like either making money, like side hustles, freelancing, that type of thing. But as this channel continues to grow, I'm gonna be trying to upload more eBay content, like gonna be sourcing more, and I assume the more I list, the more sales I'll make. So there might be multiple what sold on eBay videos. But for right now, since I have like still under 50 listings on my store and under 50 listings on my wife's store, the sales are still relatively slow. Like it'll be a good week for us if we do like 5 sales in a week, which, you know, we're doing this very part-time right now until I pass that exam that I was talking to you guys about. So until that happens, we can't really kick off this eBay thing quite yet, but doing it part-time, really fun. So looking forward to more sales this week until tomorrow, guys. All right, so we made another sale today and we actually sold 2 utensil sets to one person. So let me go grab that out of the box here. All right, let's see here. It sold 2 of these blue ones to a single person. So that's pretty sweet. So I had these listed at, I think $9.99 and had the buyer pay for shipping. So altogether, I think we got $19.98 and they paid shipping. So we're just gonna throw this in a bubble mailer and send it on its way. Gotta go over here and actually get the bubble mailer. So here it is. This is gonna be really easy to ship. I also just wanna see the weight of this item. So let's just, all right, just gonna throw these 2 in this bubble mailer here, which I previously used for shipping video games. So I'm just gonna send them together. Just gonna toss them both in there just like so. And then, let's see here, that should work. It should work as it sits right there like that. Take off the sticker there. And just like that, we have our package ready to go. Just gonna take it over, see how much it weighs. Let's just hope it's under a pound here. All right, 8.7 ounces. So we can ship it as 12 ounces. This is gonna be pretty sweet. So that's everything that we sold this week. At this point, I am no longer gonna be selling on Poshmark. I'm gonna be removing all the listings that I have on Poshmark because at this point in time, I just don't have the time and the energy to get on Poshmark every day and then reshare everything in my closet. Because at this point, I do believe that's the only way that you could really be successful on Poshmark if you have a bunch of different clothing items in addition to you're very active with the community, and if you're following other people continuously and following people that are actively buying. So I think at this point, I'm just gonna stop with Poshmark and gonna be only focusing on eBay, which you guys might have had an idea of that already just because I retitled this series the eBay business. Right now, the only sources of side income I have is the eBay business in addition to this YouTube channel. So like I said earlier, I will be adding a couple of different videos on the side in addition to the eBay business. Like I said, the eBay business is going to be the main series. I'm going to be publishing 1 eBay video per week. Usually on Mondays, I'll upload the what's sold on eBay, and if I have a really good week, maybe I'll upload 1 episode on Monday and then another episode on Thursday or Friday. That's only when my eBay business decides to pick up, if I'm able to list a lot more items. So long term, the eBay business is how I want to make my side income in addition to this YouTube channel, and I'll probably be breaking into freelancing. So those 3 are my main side hustles that I will be focusing on with this YouTube channel. I'll be starting a freelancing series once I actually have time to take on some freelancing clients. Like I said in previous videos, I currently am not going all in on eBay at the moment because I'm still studying for that exam that I mentioned and trying to grow the YouTube channel so it doesn't die on me while I'm preparing for the exam. I do anticipate that the volume of sales will go up as I am able to source more and actually dedicate a lot more time and energy into my eBay business, and I'll be publishing those sourcing videos as well. So don't think by any means that I'm stopping this eBay business. I like reselling. It's a lot of fun. I'm just going to be adding a bunch of different videos into the mix. And if you guys haven't noticed already, I decided to rebrand my channel. Instead of the channel being called Rejects, I'm having it be called Kaijin. I was able to snag the URL that I want. The reason I decided to change from Rejects to Kaijin is because I want to focus more on the personality side of things rather than just focusing on like a singular series. That's why I'm going to be having like the eBay business series, the freelancing series, in addition to vlog content or whatever other content. If you guys have ever seen Matt Diavelli's videos, he posts some great stuff, like some challenges that he does. Like he takes cold showers for 30 days, or he talks about financial freedom. He talks about a lot of different other things. So in addition to my eBay series, like I said, I'll be adding that type of content as well. If you guys have any ideas of what you guys would like to see from this channel, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And I will be increasing the quality of the way I film these. As you guys may or may not have noticed, I added a little color correction to this video. I'll be looking into more ways to increase the quality in video editing as well. So look forward to that. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.